What is up, you guys? Let me kind of put you guys a little bit here. So we are at Subway. Actually, Darren is at the DMV right now. He's getting his state ID because he needs that before he leaves for the army. You guys almost fell. Miss Vicky's jalapeno chips, veggie, or no, veggie, yeah. Veggie sub, everything on it, on wheat bread. So I'm gonna go eat. It's Friday, happy Friday. I feel like this week I didn't really vlog much. I had a lot on my plate this week. I had deadlines, so it really was very hectic. And I also have, I'm gonna insert the clip here of the Fabletics event that's coming up on the 29th. And to be honest with you guys, I feel just so humbled and just so much gratitude, you know, to have this opportunity to host the event. It's definitely a lot of work. I have Nicole Momtisbako, who's has been so super helpful because she is amazing with like events and just planning stuff. So I've been asking ideas and just, you know, trying to like figure out what to do because I am very new to this as well. You know, it is a ton of correspondence and I'm just so grateful. It's definitely been a really crazy week. This is like the only day when I have a lot of downtime, and I always try to make sure I set aside time to spend with Darren. So we're at Blvd. Okay, so we have a Oreo boba. This thing is amazing. I don't even know how many calories it's in it, but I'm sure it's a lot, but it's definitely a treat with Darren. Boba. We're gonna head over to Six Flags. It's freaking windy today, so I hope the winds die down. Show you guys something that we haven't seen before. Look at that, it's like an oversized foldable chair. I mean, it's literally like, I want to say it's like 3 times the size of a normal one. That's huge. My shoe just got even more soaked. So, we're on Jetstream and we got stuck. We've been stuck for a couple minutes. We haven't been on Jetstream in a very long time. So, it's basically just like one of those rides where, you know, it's kind of like a log, but it's super rough. And then my shoes are soaked now. Look, Darren's right there in the front. Whose idea was it to go on Jetstream? It was Darren's. My shoe is soaked. Are your shoes soaked?
No.
Oh, you're lucky. This foot is soaked. We're now at Pho. There's greens. It's not like him to eat greens, but now he's having greens. Here's my food. It's stir-fried vegetables, tofu, and last time we were here, Isha and Allison, they shared the red rice. So instead of getting brown rice, opted for this one, but it looks delicious.